Beyond the ridge, a quiet village glowed like a promise hidden in winter. From above, the valley looked peaceful, but something about it felt strangely still. Warm lights reflected in his eyes, yet unease quietly settled beneath the wonder. They followed the road downward, guided by footprints that seemed fresh and inviting. Old arrows pointed everywhere at once, as if the mountain enjoyed confusing strangers. Inside the village, chimneys smoked gently, and every window offered impossible comfort. Lanterns swayed above a cheerful market where winter joy seemed carefully rehearsed. He turned slowly, taking in every smiling face and every familiar-looking decoration. Beside him, caution grew stronger, because the warmth felt just a little too perfect. Then a child looked straight at him, with the recognition of someone remembering tomorrow. When he knelt to speak, the child seemed unsure whether to answer or warn. As evening deepened, the villagers repeated a ritual that felt old and strangely exact. Later, shelter waited inside the inn, wrapped in firelight, wood, and quiet questions.
At the table, they compared impressions and agreed the village was hiding something.
A faint carving near his hand suddenly pulled the whole room into focus. The hidden message carried his father's caution. Write down what the morning takes away.
He showed the clue to Mara, and the village suddenly felt far less gentle.
Night settled softly, and the inn seemed innocent while their warning waited nearby. Morning came with confusion, as if the reason for staying had slipped away. Only his own handwriting pulled the missing truth back into his mind.
Outside, the road had changed, and the signs no longer remembered yesterday.
Every arrow disagreed with the last, turning the valley into a quiet trap.
Even their footprints were disappearing, erased almost as quickly as they were noticed.
She glanced back uneasily, struggling to hold on to thoughts already starting to fade.
So they wrote warnings on gloves and sleeves, turning clothing into memory itself.
Every word became a lifeline. Remember, Mara. Do not stay. Leave at sunrise.
Questions brought only smiles, because nobody here remembered ever wanting to leave.
She noticed the square was arranged exactly the same, right down to every lantern. Beyond the houses, a grove of glass trees shimmered with beautiful and dangerous light.
He stepped closer, drawn toward the glow that seemed to breathe with memory.
Beside him, Mara studied the floating dust, as though it might answer everything.
The luminous particles touched his scarf and hands like quiet, forgetting snow.
In that moment, they understood the grove was stealing pieces of every memory.
He covered his face quickly, refusing to let the grove take anything else. Back inside, they covered the table with reminders, building memory out of urgency. Once more, the carving confirmed the truth. Morning would take what they forgot.
Before night returned, they promised to trust each other, even if memory failed.
Evening arrived, and the same festival began again, as though nothing had changed.
Standing inside the ritual once more, they fought to keep their purpose alive.
His own notes startled him, although written by someone wiser than fear. He pointed to the sleeve reminders, and her memory returned just enough.
Then the same child returned, offering a notebook like a message from earlier. With memory restored, they slipped free of the ritual and ran for the road. Before sunrise, the valley felt colder, and the true way remained hidden.
Kneeling in the snow, he matched fading tracks against the warnings on his sleeve.
Behind her, the arrows moved again, as if the village refused to let go.
Then sunrise touched the valley, and one clear road finally revealed itself. They recognized the path together, and relief returned faster than words could.
Without hesitating, they ran into the light before the village could change again. Even while escaping, he looked back, still wondering what the village had taken.
Mara held on to her written warnings, grateful that the truth had stayed.
From the ridge, the village looked peaceful again, untouched by the danger within. Holding the notebook, he realized one page had been left behind on purpose.
Back inside the inn, the carving remained, waiting for the next memory to fade.
And below, the lanterns swayed on, while the village calmly prepared to forget again.